Figure 4.17, pre-incrementing and post-incrementing. In this example, we want to introduce you to C++'s increment operator, which is the plus plus operator that you see here at line 14. This was inherited into the language from the C programming language. And the plus plus operator is an interesting operator. It's a unary operator. It has one operand. And the thing that's interesting about it is that it can be applied either before or after the variable name. In this case, at line 14, it's being applied after the variable name, which is called a post increment. And in this case down at line 22, it's being applied before the variable name, which is called a pre-increment. And the post and pre-increment versions of the operator have different results if the expression using the plus plus operator is part of a larger expression or statement. If you were to execute C++ as a statement by itself or execute ++C as a statement by itself, by the time you hit the end of the statement, the increment has been performed, so on the next statement in sequence, it's going to have the same result either way. So let me talk about what's really going on in this program. At line 12, we start by initializing the integer variable c to 5. Then we output the value 5. Then at line 14, we output the value of the expression c++, which says use the current value of c in this statement. Then add 1 to the value of the variable c in memory. So what this is going to do is display the value 5, then increment c to 6. So when we get to line 15 and output c again, we will then see the value 6. Let's stop there for a moment and run this program. And in the first 3 lines of the output, you see 5, 5, and then 6 appears only after the variable c has been incremented, which occurs after its current value is used in the second output statement. Now let's go back to our source code and take a look at line 20 through 23. We start by setting c to 5 once more. We output the value of c to show you that it's 5 once again, and this time we're outputting the value of the expression plus plus c. And plus plus c says increment the value of the variable c immediately, then use the new value in this continuing expression or statement. So we're going to add 1 to c to make it 6. We're going to output 6. Then, to prove to you that no further incrementing occurs, at line 23 we display the value of c again, and once again we will see the value 6. So if you look here, you see we start with the value 5, we pre-increment it to make it 6 and display it, and then we show you that c is still 6 after that statement completes execution. Now, in addition to the plus plus operator, there's also a minus minus decrement operator which subtracts 1 from a variable. And again, there's 2 versions of that variable, one that can be used with the minus minus to the right of the variable name, and one that can be used with the minus minus to the left of the variable name. The one on the right of the variable name is the post decrement operator, and the one on the left of the variable name is the pre-decrement operator when we're talking about the minus minus operator.